Namaskar. You see, if your gut is unhealthy, your skin will show it. Even research has found that your gut affects not only your mood and your energy level, but also your skin. Inside your gut lives an entire ecosystem, a collection of trillions of bacteria and microbes called that gut microbiome. When the system is balanced, it keeps the body healthy and your skin glowing. But when gut microbiome is inflamed or distributed towards poor diet, stress, or medication, the first sign of it appear on the skin. Sign can be anything from breakouts, dryness, redness, pigmentation, and puffiness to eczema or rosacea. That's why today I want to share something very simple and very powerful. A 3-day gut cleansing process with fresh, nourishing juice you can make at home. Each day targets different needs. Day 1 helps you detox. Day 2 supports fat burning and digestion. Day 3 brings back the glow. And today, at the end of this episode, I will also share a gentle homemade gel you can apply at night to support your skin as it heals from inside. Day 1 is Detox Day, green apple and cucumber smoothie. This smoothie can sweep out anything that your body doesn't need. Green apple has fibers that binds and remove toxins. It also supports your smoother digestion. Cucumber hydrates your body from inside, reduces puffiness and gives a cooling effect. This smoothie also has celery, which helps flush out excess water, supports our healthy gut lining. And we will also add some parsley, full of vitamin C and works as natural internal cleanser. To make this cleansing smoothie blend, 1 green apple, 1 cucumber with half a celery and some parsley leaves till you have a smoothie juice. Drink in the morning on an empty stomach, and for half an hour afterwards, avoid eating or drinking anything else. This smoothie begins the process of your internal cleanse, removing the toxins and harmful gut microbiome, which makes you ready for the day 2 of the cleanse. Day 2 is fat burn day with the carrot, apple, and lemon cleanse. This cleanse supports your metabolism and clears out the sluggishness that shows up on your skin as breakout or dull tone. Carrots are rich in antioxidants that support clear skin and even tone. Apple has fiber and helps control sugar spike while keeping your gut. Lemon boosts digestion and helps melt away stubborn fat from the midsection. What you have to do is take 1 apple, 1 carrot, and juice of 1 lemon. Blend till you get a smooth juice and drink it. You don't need to have this first thing in the morning. The best to have it is in the mid afternoon when you have had your breakfast and before lunch. This will give your body the metabolic boost to burn away all the calories you put inside. Your stomach will begin to feel lighter as the bioactive of these ingredients improve your metabolism, digestion, and it helps in the growth of good bacteria inside your stomach. And now let's go to day 3, which is cleansing process, which is glow day with the beetroot, celery stalk, and ginger smoothie. Beetroot purifies the blood and improves circulation, leaving your skin a natural glow. Celery stalk is hydrating all around. It soothes and refreshes from within. Ginger increases your digestion, warms the body, and helps you absorb the nutrients better. So take 1 small beetroot, a 1-inch piece of ginger, around 2-3 celery stalk, and blend to a smoothie. Have it immediately. It is best to have this skin glow smoothie before 10 a.m. Now let me tell you how to follow these 3 gut cleanse. For the first 2 months, do it once every week. That is for 3 days of each week, have a gut cleanse. From the 3rd month till the 6th month, you can do it every alternative week. And then you can do it whenever your digestion feels weak or your skin begins to show some symptoms for as a weak gut. Now that your gut has been nourished and reset from within, let's give your skin an extra care from outside. It is a soothing night gel. Works beautifully to calm inflammation, hydrate deeply, and support your skin natural healing process. To make this gel, take half a cucumber peel and grate it. Strain the juice from Marceline cloth. Add 2 teaspoons of fresh aloe vera gel. Crush 3 to 4 mint leaves and mix it to the gel. It is an optional add a drop of vitamin E oil if you have a dry skin. Mix well and store it in a clean glass jar in the fridge for up to 5 days. At night, after cleansing your face, apply a thin layer of this gel. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes or overnight if your skin enjoys it. It hydrates, it calms and supports your skin. It is very useful if you are breaking out or feeling flushed after cleansing. You see, try these natural cleansing 3 days cleanse once and you will realize you can help your body with these natural ingredients. Just in 3 days you can feel lighter, clearer and more in control of your gut. And for your skin without using any chemicals, try it just 3 days. Let food do the healing. Let your skin respond and let yourself be surprised how good it can feel. Namaskar.